To build muscle, imagine any morning. You want to get up from your chair for a glass of water, but suddenly your legs feel heavy, or those few familiar steps become an exhausting challenge. Many people think these small details are simply normal signs of aging, but the truth is that behind them lies a silent process called sarcopenia, the thief of muscle strength that knocks on the door of most of us after age 65. From the age of 50, we could lose between 3% and 8% of our muscle mass every 10 years if we don't take action. At first glance, it seems like a small number, but the consequences are enormous. The body weakens, the risk of falls increases, and little by little we lose the independence that has always been our pride. The good news is that you can fight it. You don't need to go to the gym or resort to expensive supplements. With just a few everyday, inexpensive and easy to find foods, you can begin to nourish and restore muscle strength. Join me as I discover the 5 most powerful foods, and don't miss the last one, the true king of preserving health and independence in old age. And if you want more in-depth, accurate and easy to apply knowledge at home, don't just subscribe to the channel. Click the bell and select all notifications to be the first to know when we publish a new video. The information I share is for informational purposes only and does not replace medical treatment or the advice of a specialist. Join me on this journey of discovery. 1. Black beans. In the vast treasure trove of Spanish and Latin American cuisine, black beans are not only a popular and humble dish, but also a silent ally in the fight against age-related muscle loss. Few would imagine that these shiny little grains contain a source of high-quality vegetable protein, which provides the foundation needed to maintain and regenerate muscle fibers. This factor is especially important after the age of 60, when the body no longer synthesizes proteins as efficiently as before. But black beans aren't limited to protein. They're also rich in iron and folic acid, 2 key nutrients that promote red blood cell formation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients consistently reach your muscles. A healthy circulatory system means well-nourished muscles, which reduces the risk of weakness. Even more notable is its soluble fiber content, capable of stabilizing blood glucose levels. This is crucial, as sudden changes in glucose levels during the night can accelerate the breakdown of muscle proteins, increasing the rate of muscle mass loss in older adults. According to a nutritional survey conducted at the University of Salamanca, 2017, the group of older adults who consume legumes, particularly black beans, at least 3 or 4 times a week, had higher muscle mass and a manual strength index than the group that consumed them less frequently. This proves that even a simple food can make a difference in long-term muscle health. They can be used in a very versatile way. They can be simmered in nutritious soups, combined with vegetables and traditional stews, or prepared in a fresh black bean salad with tomato and cilantro. A 100-150 degree serving of cooked black beans can provide about 9 grams of protein, along with numerous essential minerals. A little tip: soak black beans for 8 to 12 hours before cooking. This not only reduces cooking time, but also eliminates some of the anti-nutrients, which improves iron and protein absorption. With such a simple habit, black beans become a humble, yet tremendously powerful companion, capable of nourishing your muscles, maintaining your stamina, and preserving your independence in old age. And if you've already enjoyed the creamy, smooth, and nutritious flavor of black beans, Have you ever wondered if there's another source of protein that can strengthen your muscles and provide long-lasting energy that you haven't yet incorporated into your diet? 2. Chicken breast. Among the most common and easy to prepare foods, chicken breast stands out as a golden source of nutrition for muscles, especially as age begins to weaken muscle mass. Unlike the fattier parts of the chicken, breast is a lean, pure protein, rich in nutrients and low in saturated fat, allowing the body to absorb it easily without overloading the heart or digestive system. 2 factors that tend to become more sensitive in old age. What makes chicken breast truly special is its high leucine content, an essential amino acid that acts as a switch in the process of muscle protein synthesis. You can think of leucine as a power switch that activates muscle building mode in the body. Therefore, regularly consuming chicken breast helps partially offset the natural muscle loss caused by sarcopenia. This is why sports and geriatric nutrition experts recommend prioritizing foods rich in leucine to maintain strength. A nutritional survey by the University of Barcelona, 2018, observed that people over 60 years of age who consumed white meat proteins, such as chicken breast, at least 4 times a week, had significantly better muscle mass and mobility compared to those who ate mainly red meat. In addition to supporting muscle development, choosing white meat helps reduce the risk of chronic inflammation, a common factor in aging. Preparing chicken breast is simple and delicious. You can lightly brown it in a pan with extra virgin olive oil, add a few crushed garlic cloves, and a little rosemary to give it that unmistakable Mediterranean aroma. A 120-150 green serving of cooked breast provides over 25 grams of high-quality protein, enough to maintain and regenerate muscles after exercise or as part of a light dinner. A little tip: pair chicken breast with a natural source of vitamin C, such as spinach or red bell peppers. Vitamin C promotes the synthesis of collagen, the basic structure of muscles and tendons, thus optimizing the anabolic benefits of leucine. With this clever combination, chicken breast goes from being a common dish to a golden key, to combating muscle loss and maintaining strength in old age. And if you've ever enjoyed the mild, firm, protein-rich flavor of chicken breast, have you ever wondered if there's another vitamin and mineral-packed food that can elevate your meals and strengthen your body even more completely? 3. Broccoli. In the world of vegetables, broccoli is often called the emerald of health, and for your muscles, it truly deserves that title. Unlike other vegetables that only provide fiber, broccoli contains a unique set of nutrients: vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulforaphane. This trio not only helps reduce inflammation, a factor that accelerates muscle degeneration, but also directly participates in the synthesis of collagen, the essential structural component of both muscles and tendons. Thanks to this, broccoli not only strengthens muscle mass, but also provides elasticity and flexibility to the joints. In addition, broccoli is a source of magnesium and calcium, 2 minerals that are often in short supply in old age, but which are vital for muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium regulates nerve muscle signaling, preventing cramps and fatigue, while calcium is the key that enables every muscle contraction. Together, they create a solid foundation for maintaining strength and mobility day after day. Research from the University of Navarra, 2019, showed that a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, is associated with better movement capacity and lower systemic inflammation in people over 60 years of age. This confirms the importance of this common but powerful vegetable. Broccoli preparation should be simple but careful, steamed for 3 to 5 minutes or quickly sautéed with olive oil to preserve vitamin C and sulforaphane, compounds that are very sensitive to prolonged cooking. A serving of about 150 shallots of cooked broccoli provides the recommended daily amount of vitamin K and a large dose of protective antioxidants. A little tip: add a few drops of lemon or serve it with tomato after cooking. The additional vitamin C will boost collagen synthesis and improve the absorption of plant-based iron. With this simple habit, broccoli ceases to be a simple side dish on the table and becomes a true green medicine that strengthens your muscles and tendons over time. And if you've ever enjoyed its crisp, fresh, vitamin-packed flavour, have you ever wondered if there's another equally nutrient-dense vegetable with extraordinary antioxidant power that can offer you a completely new experience, both at the table and for your health? 4. Kale. Among all leafy greens, kale has been dubbed the queen of vegetables, and this name does it justice when it comes to muscle and bone health. Unlike many common vegetables, kale contains an exceptionally high amount of vitamin K, which acts like a glue, locking calcium into bone structure and promoting muscle tissue repair. This combination constitutes an essential basis for reducing the risk of osteoporosis and muscle weakness over the years. In addition, kale is rich in lutein, a carotenoid famous for its benefits for vision, but which also has a significant impact on muscles and blood vessels thanks to its potent antioxidant action. Lutein helps reduce chronic inflammation, a factor that slows muscle recovery and protects the vascular system, ensuring that muscles receive sufficient oxygen and nutrients with every movement. Added to this is the magnesium present in kale, which regulates muscle contraction and relaxation, preventing cramps and stiffness, very common problems in old age. According to a nutritional study by the University of Zaragoza, 2019, people over 60 years of age with a diet rich in green leafy vegetables, especially kale, maintained higher bone density and better mobility than those who consumed few. This proves that kale not only protects your eyes, but is also a true all-round shield for your muscles and bones. There are many ways to prepare kale. One of the most popular and tasty is the massaged kale salad. The leaves are rubbed with lemon juice and olive oil to soften their texture and reduce bitterness, then tossed with cherry tomatoes, walnuts, or crumbled manchego cheese to enhance the flavour. It can also be briefly sautéed with garlic and olive oil for a few minutes, thus preserving its vitamins and phytonutrients to the maximum extent. A little tip: pair kale with nuts or seeds rich in healthy fats, such as almonds or pumpkin seeds. Fat promotes the absorption of lutein, optimizing its anti-inflammatory and vascular protective action. With this habit, kale ceases to be a simple green vegetable and becomes a powerful ally that keeps your musculoskeletal system strong as the years go by. And if you've ever enjoyed its slightly bitter, crunchy, and nutrient-dense flavor, have you ever wondered if there's another sweeter, more energizing food capable of providing an immediate feeling of vitality and freshness to your body? 5. Banana. Among the most common fruits, the banana is one of the most accessible and familiar options. But its true value for muscle health after age 60 is often underestimated. What makes bananas special is their high potassium content, an essential mineral for maintaining rhythmic muscle contraction and relaxation. When potassium is lacking, muscles tend to experience stiffness or cramps, especially at night, disrupting sleep and hindering recovery. But bananas are not only rich in potassium, they also provide moderately absorbed natural carbohydrates, which become a source of sustained energy for the body. This is key because when energy is lacking, the body resorts to breaking down muscle mass for fuel, accelerating muscle loss. Eating bananas regularly not only provides healthy energy, but also protects existing muscle mass and promotes recovery after light physical activity. In addition, bananas contain vitamin B6 and small amounts of tryptophan, an amino acid involved in the synthesis of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. This combination makes the banana an ideal fruit for both day and night. A study from the Complutense University of Madrid, 2018, observed that a diet rich in potassium from fruits such as bananas was associated with a lower incidence of muscle cramps and better mobility in older people. This confirms the value of this simple fruit in maintaining muscle strength. The way to consume bananas couldn't be more practical. Eat one straight as a snack. Make a smoothie with plant-based milk for healthy energy, or combine them with Greek yogurt and grilled chicken breast slices to achieve a perfect balance of protein and carbohydrates. Each medium banana provides approximately 400 mg of potassium, which is almost 10% of the recommended daily intake. A helpful tip: eat bananas when they are yellow with some brown spots on the skin. In this phase, the starch has been transformed into easily absorbed natural sugars, providing quick but stable energy that helps muscles recover without causing sudden spikes in blood glucose. With this simple habit, the banana becomes a true golden friend that protects your muscles and your energy throughout the day. Conclusion: strength is not lost, it is nourished. If this video has provided you with useful knowledge, don't forget to give it a like to support the channel. Leave a comment sharing your opinion or any questions you might have, and, most importantly, hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and select all notifications so you don't miss any upcoming quality content. Sarcopenia is not a perpetual condemnation of old age. Even after age 65, your body still has the ability to regenerate and strengthen muscle mass if it receives proper nutrition. The secret isn't expensive medications, but simple, everyday foods on your table. Always remember, the kitchen is the best pharmacy, and your daily meal is your natural gym. A few black beans, a portion of chicken breast, a few sprigs of broccoli, a few kale leaves, or a ripe banana. All of these can become the foundation for maintaining your strength, vitality, and independence. Final message: connect with your community. And what do you think about these 5 foods? Which one do you consume most frequently? And which one would you like to start trying this week to make your body stronger and full of energy? Thank you for taking the time to accompany me. See you in the next videos so we can continue taking care of our health together and enjoying a life full of energy.